right. You know who it is? It's JL, the anti-guru. And today, I'm going to show you how to sell your... We're going to move forward. And Cousin Jay, I don't know what happened, man. I've been having trouble with my internet for days, weeks, something like that. But we are live and in full effect. And like we're going to say, now this training today, guys, is really for people who are consultants. If you are trying to get, if you're a social media manager, or if you're trying to get people, not people, but if you're trying to get businesses to hire you to manage their social media, do lead generation for them. This mainly is for people like that. However, you need to get your pen and your pencil out, because you can adapt some of this stuff if you... What the hell? Okay, I don't know what's going on, but Facebook is trying to stop a brother. But we ain't going for that. We're going to say, okay, we got the power of the Most High God. We're going to move forward because, and you see I'm sweating because it's 125 degrees here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, or it at least feels like that. That's why I got my fan running in here, y'all. I ain't got the AC running today because I need to cut back on my electricity bill. But y'all like my picture over here? This is me. This is me, y'all. My fans sent me that portrait, and that's a representation of me. But okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna get right into this training, and I'm operating from a book that I bought. It's How to Sell for Geniuses. So if you're not a genius, you're getting ready to be. How about that? But here are going to be some of the objections that you come across when you're trying to do social media marketing, or you're trying to provide services as a lead generation company. If you're trying to do you're trying to get customers, you're trying to help businesses get customers to their business. But I'm just gonna read this stuff off, and so if I'm looking down and I'm not looking up, please forgive me, because I can't look down and look up at the same time. I only got 2 eyes. I don't have 4. But one of the first objections, and this is a post call. This is after you have already talked to them, and they say, well, I just need Facebook likes and a boosted post. So you acknowledge them and you say, well, I have a lot of customers who ask for the same thing, but you want to dig a little deeper. Why are likes important to you? And then the other thing is, you want to isolate with empathy. So what you want to say is, what do you think would make you more popular than likes? So this is going to give you new information. So what's life without this new info? So you say, so how do you think this would change things? And then again, you're going to try to ask for the sale. Okay, what would you like? Would you like to work together for the next 3 to 6 months? Now the next one, that's my finance. She's telling me, still hard at work, babe. Yes, I'm still hard at work. This doesn't feel like work. This is what I love to do. So the next objection is, I feel like I'm just going to get Groupon, junkies, or deal shoppers. And then again, this is a post call after you've already talked to them. So you want to say, I understand your concern. I feel like every person is looking for a freebie. So you want to acknowledge that, but you want to dig a little deeper. Why is it important to you to get people who aren't just looking for freebies or deals? Okay. So now you want to isolate with empathy. Is the only thing holding you back that you're worried you'll deal with real shoppers? Whoa. So what's life like with this new information? Do you think that would help? Do you feel more comfortable knowing we can show this ad to people who can afford you? And then again, boom, you go back to the sale. Do you think it's a good idea that we run this ad with these income filters and hit it out of the park in the next 3 months? Booyah. Okay, so maybe you come across another customer and they say, well, my niece does my Facebook ads. Okay, I get it. Every dollar counts. By the way, what gave you the idea to hire your niece? Booyah. Is the reason you hired your niece because your concern is overpaying for something you can't find a lot easier? Now they eating a little bit of humble pie. So you come back with, what do you think? Do you think it's a good idea to put the fate of your company and your employees into the hands of someone who hasn't done this before? Maybe they have, maybe they haven't. So again, as for the sale, do you think we have a better chance of getting you results than your niece? Whoa. Do you think we should work together? If so. So we're going to move on to the next objection. This is what you're going to hear, guys. We're working with someone already and we're happy. Now this is when you make that pre-call, when you're making that first call. So what do you say to that? Well, that's awesome. You found someone you like. Is it okay with you? Can I ask a couple of questions? And the questions you're going to ask, are they currently getting you at least X amount of clients per month? Are you seeing a return on your investment? Now that's deep. Now, so you want to isolate again with empathy. You always want to be empathetic. If I could show you how is that something that would be worth your time, how do you think this would change things for you? Again, going back to asking for the sale. Would you like to work together for the next 3 or 6 months or 12 months? And then you're going to get some folks, because I got one of those today. I hate Facebook. Okay. I understand that. The platform drives me up the wall some days too. What's your reason for hating Facebook? Again, with the empathy. I understand that Facebook has a lot of features that can be very complicated. How do you think the features Facebook offers will help you? Again, would you like to work together for the next 3, 6, or 12 months? Now, let's go a little bit deeper. What if they say, Facebook ads don't work for my business? You know, you can say, I actually heard a lot of people say that. How you use how have you used Facebook ads before? So what happened? What did you do any specific targeting? And you can expound on that, you know. So again, with the empathy, is the one thing stopping you that you tried this before and you're not worried that it might not work and you'll waste money? Again, how do you think these features would change things for your business? Again, would you like me to help you do this and work together for the next few months? Another one is, most common, I can't afford this. It's too expensive. I know that feeling of uncertainty. What part of what I showed you today made you feel like it's too expensive? Have you used paid ads? And if you haven't, why not? So, again, with the empathy. So your concern is that you would do this and then it wouldn't work. Hurt your ability to get a return on your investment and take care of your team. You want it to work. Of course, I do. Most people I talk to are used to billboards and print. You pay thousands, and even if it doesn't work, the money's gone all at once. On Facebook, you can set a daily budget. So let's beat Sally's record, whoever Sally may be. And do you want to do this for the next 3 months? Yeah. So I've been on here about 10 minutes. This is a book that I bought from my man Billy Jean, one of my mentors. It's How to Sell You Know What for Geniuses. Now, I don't have a link to get this book, but I'm teaching you out of a book that I paid money for. So again, here's my pitch. Oh, and let me back up. I recently came in contact with a young brother who is building websites. And he's actually, if you're in need of a website, he is actually willing to build you a website for free 99. That's right, I said it, free 99. And the website where you can go check him out and check out what he does is smallbusinessdigitaltoolkits.com. I'm going to put that in the comments. Small business digital, y'all, I know y'all laughing at me, toolkit.com. So that's the web address to that brother's website. Again, if you're looking to get a website built, if you are struggling with that kind of thing, and I'm pretty sure that he can make almost any type of website, whether it's a blog or it's an e-commerce site, he can do that, and he's willing to do that for you for free 99. Now, if you're interested, definitely go and check him out. It's at smallbusinessdigitaltoolkit.com, and check that brother out and see if he can service you. Again, today's I've had all kind of technical problems today, but again, hopefully on Thursday I'm going to have a special guest who is going to expound on, last week we talked about the wealth building blueprint and how you should set up your business to save money, to operate your business efficiently, and create wealth in your life and in your business. Hopefully she'll be able to clear her calendar out and talk to us. And she's going to be talking to you about repairing your credit, how to build your credit, and how to get access to funds to grow your business. Now, again, I'm not promising you that she'll be on Thursday. We had a conversation earlier this weekend, and she's like me. She's a caregiver. My mother's 85 years old. She lives here with me, and I'm her caregiver. And but she's taking care of both of her parents, and then she's running a household and running a business and all these other things. So hopefully we'll be able to get her on Thursday. But if not, I'll keep you up to date on when she's going to be able to come on and talk to you about building your credit. And she has a lot of other financial services that she can offer as well. So, if you haven't liked my page, that's JL Bumbrey 411 Marketing. Please go to the fan page and like the page so that you'll be able to get notifications when I go live. So again, as always, I'm looking to help you and help you grow your business. My new motto is enough said, love, peace, and hair grease, even though I'm not supposed to use that anymore. Peace.